Hello, everyone. So, my name is Edgar, and today I'm gonna present about my financial assets for AFL 2. So, let's get started. In this assignment, I got a task to buy three stocks, which I chose is Bank BRI as my first one. So, this business focuses on commercial banking. It was founded on 1895. It's Indonesia's oldest commercial bank. Its headquarters is located in Jakarta, Indonesia, stock listing Indonesian Stock Exchange, IDX, with the code of BBRI. The website is BRI website. BBRI is a leading Indonesian commercial bank with a long history of serving the country's financial needs. The bank boasts a wide reach, particularly in rural areas, and caters heavily to MSMEs, a key driver of the Indonesian economy. BBRI has embraced digitalization and offer a robust online banking platform. So they have moved on from their old ways and they've now moved to online banking platforms. Next is company profile number 2, which is Pakuan Jati Tbk. So in this one, Pakuan Jati Tbk, they focus on property development and management. Founded in 1985, the headquarters is in Surabaya, Indonesia. Stock listing Indonesian Stock Exchange IDX with the code of PWON with the website of Pakuan Jati website. So some facts about Pakuan Jati is that Pakuan Jati is a prominent Indonesian property developer known for creating integrated lifestyle destinations. The company boasts a diverse portfolio encompassing residential, retail, commercial, and hospitality projects. Pakuan Jati focuses on developing upscale properties in key Indonesian cities such as Surabaya, Jakarta, and others. Next, one that is not as known as the other two is Medco Energy. So, why did I choose this? Let's get into the business. What is the business? So, the business is oil and gas exploration and production. Founded in 1980, headquarters are in Jakarta, Indonesia. Stock listing Indonesian Stock Exchange with the code of MEDC. The website is Medco Energy website, but I did have some trouble finding that. Medco Energy is a leading Indonesian energy company with a comprehensive oil and gas portfolio. The company explores, produces, and processes oil and gas, while also venturing into services, power generation, and other related operations. Medco Energy maintains a strong presence in Indonesia and has expanded its operations across Southeast Asia. So it doesn't only focus on Indonesia anymore, but it also focuses on nations wide. Stock performance. So I chose three stocks prior to what I've mentioned. First one, BBRI did quite well. It had an increase of 2.3%, and PWON had an increase of 3%, while only being held by me for only 2 days. Metsi I only hold also for 2 days, which had an increase of 0.7%. Overall, they were all gains. I did not get any dividend from this, and keep in mind that the buying price had a 0.017% of buying fee, as well as the selling price had a 0.027% of selling fee. So, why did I choose this BBRI? So first, for BBRI, it was very undervalued at the time that I bought it. Its risk was pretty low. It had a somewhat of a crash, and since it's majority government owned, I suppose it won't go that low, because if it was to go that low, then Indonesia's economy is not doing well at all. PWON continues growth, promising chart, and strong track record of profitability. Prior to me buying this, it had already increased over like 14%, 10%, I don't know. But I did realize that it had a quite spiking, and I could get a quick profit from this. Metsi, it had a very promising looking chart, trying to rebound from its support. for the short term with high risk to reward ratio because it was looking very promising from the momentum and everything. Next. Next is the first evaluation. So for the first evaluation is, did I gain or did I lose? Of course, well, I did gain a decent amount of percentage. With all of my stocks, I wasn't able to obtain maximum profit of entering and leaving the prices sooner. This is because I was too timid to enter the market at first, and I was too timid to take out my money because I felt like if I had put it there, the profit would run higher. But it's something I can learn on. Next, reasoning. The reason for the gain is the market timing. So I'm contradicting myself, but I feel like I could have entered a bit better, but the reason because of the reason of my gain is also because of the market timing. At that time, some of these stocks was very undervalued, so hence why I feel like the risk was not that high and they couldn't possibly go down that much if they were to go down, and if they were to go up, they would probably rebound to their support. Next, continuation. Will I continue in this market? Will I continue my investing journey and everything? So, yes, I will probably continue investing in stocks, but I will only focus on the ones with huge market caps because I prefer to be safe in the stock market, and I see blue chip stocks as the way for that to happen without me continuously monitoring my money. And it has proven to be very profitable in the long run. So evaluation, what could have been better? I should have researched more thoroughly before entering the market, as well as I should have entered and left the market at better times. Things that I've mentioned previously is I think that if I had entered maybe like a week earlier, I would have gotten at least 10 to 12% off of PWON, and also probably 5 to 7% off of PBRI. I should have researched more thoroughly before entering the market, as well as I should have entered and left the market at better times. I should have probably refrained myself and encouraged myself to sell at a better timing rather than being timid and ends up being a loss. So here are the evidence of my crime. Not particularly the crime, but here are the evidence that I had indeed a gain. 2.3, 0.7, plus 3. So that's it for my AFL2 presentation. Most of this are taken from IDX for the sources. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.